class, Let's go. RNS is the movement, yeah. And you know me and Marvin with my dub ass boys. Anybody got a problem? Bang bang, nigga. It ain't no dang, nigga. You just a local street gang, nigga. Yo. Catch me while I'm dub ass mobbing. Catch me outside, making no it's fucking problems. 100 goons running around, late night throbbing. Heart just pumping, understand we dumping. Put them in they body trunking. I ain't got time for niggas slumping. Talking about that how they linking parking. Man, fuck that, man, we will spark that. Get that weed, get that blunt, nigga, now it's on scrap. My niggas riding, my niggas never hiding. Fuck that, put you in your island. Put you off and put you in the grave. Understand I ain't no slave, motherfucker, this the cage. Welcome to the zoo, understand how we do. Me and the crew, 100 goons on the move. Fuck that nigga, punch that nigga. Kick him, punch him, beat him, digger down. I ain't got time, got the crown on my fucking head. Understand me, I'm never dead. Chillin' in my shed, nigga, summertime snowing. I ain't got time for this bitch now, I'm going, throwing all these bitches out the crib like Pam. Fuck that goddamn nigga, serve me up some ham. Got my nigga working, fuck jerking. I ain't got time for this shit, man, we lurking. Niggas on the move, niggas on another groove, man, listen how we do. It's them dub S boys, dub SS the squad. Fuck that nigga, man, we stay up on the job. Running around the town, RNS straight mobbing. Fuck that shit, 100 goons, it's a problem. Anybody see me, man, they know that they don't want it. C-class motherfucker, yeah, we just on it. On it, nigga, know we stay on it. Know we gon' flaunt it. Hot shit, want it, and we gon' take it. Fuck that, rape the game, motherfucker, and you know I'm not the wake up kid. I'm a savage like Randy. Rest in peace to my homie, now he's handy. Up in the heavens, running around running. I ain't got time for this shit, so me, I'm straight gunning at you bitch asses. Yeah, you passive, yeah, you niggas talking this and that. Niggas getting smacked, bitch, huh? Okay, check this out. Check this out, yo. I got a bitch in the front, I got a bitch in the back. I got a soldier to my side, man, she holding a mat. And she ain't afraid to put this damn knife in your back. Make one fall smooth, your whole spine to get tapped. She's something like my bottom bitch, the leader of the pack. I give her the money, some weed, a car, and my strap. Any nigga coming sideways gon' definitely get popped. Cause the bitches that I roll with going straight for that guap. While you got your eyes on them thighs, they got their eyes on the prize. Hat cock, can't see they eyes, sorta like they in disguise. With no mask, no wigs, just they tits out. And they got you and your niggas hard with your dicks out. Here come them west side boys kicking your doors down. And we got a bag of guns, yeah, we want that money now. And we want them jewels in a bag, so take that piece off. No, this man can't be your bodyguard, he's too soft, huh? Anybody wanna say something? I be right in the hood, man, I'm never frontin'. You can catch me dub S straight mobbing. 100 goons running around, know that it's a problem. Coming for your head, coming for that cheese, nigga, hit him till he's dead. Laying in a pool of motherfucking red blood. I don't give a fuck, blood or cuz. You in a gang, me, I'm a bang. 100 motherfuckers, dub S, we the gang. See us when we mobbing, know that it's a problem. Catch us late night, and you know we gonna rob ya. Niggas think it's a joke, till they get poked. Some real life shit, nigga. Rockin', stand up, it's the 845, nigga. And you know we get live, nigga. Anybody got a problem hidden in his eye, nigga, leave him with a star, nigga. I'm the type of nigga you don't want